No niin, mitä kuuluu kaikille? Tänään me reagoidaan Mr. Beast, mikä tämän videon nimi oli 100 pilottia taistelee yksityisestä lentokoneesta. Mä rakastan Mr. Beast-videoita, mä katson aina niitä, niin mä päätin kuvaa reaktion tähän. Mennään vaan suoraan videoon, ei puhuta liikaa. Ei, joku päivä mun on pakko olla näissä videoissa. Okay. Näin paljon tippuu, 1/3 vaan pääsee eteenpäin. Mä en haluais kyllä tippua ihan alussa, tää on rankkaa.
We shut down an entire city for 24 hours. But first, we need to see which one of these three teams crosses the finish line first.
Mä en tiedä, Mr. Beastillä on aina hulluimmat challenget. Miten sä voit vuokraa edes tämmöiseen tilanne? Kato kun bodarit tässä tiimissä on. Nää voittaa 100%. Vaan näiden kahden tyyppien takia tää tiimi on voittamassa. Tiimi 2 voitti. Nää muuten ei edes ollut niin kaukana. Oota. Tää tiimi voitti. Ketkä on näiden tiimissä? No way, tää tiimi voitti. Eiks täällä on ne bodarit? Oho. Joo, paha. Liian paljon tippuu. 2 milliä. Mikä tää on? Mikä tää on? Tässä tulee tippua enemmän kuin puolet. Kattokaa, mä oon niin varma. Tää on niin vaikee. Ja kaikille ei pysty olla hyvä tasapaino. Kato, tää tippuu. Mä näen jo, kuinka huono taktiikka sulla on. Jos mä olisin tuolla, tää olis helppoa. Miksi nää ei ota käsillä kiinni tosta tästä? Mitä helvettiä? Äijä luuli, että saa tappaa. Joo, koska ilman vastustus on pienempi silloin, jos sä seisot sivuun. 6-7. Mä tiedän, nää otti tahalteen klippi tästä, koska tässä on 6-7. Grones mies sanoo 6-7. Okei, täällä on hullu tasapaino. Tää ei edes liikahtunut yhtään.
And despite having perfect technique, this pilot, who literally played in the NFL, couldn't stay on.
No! Mulla itski, veli. Mä halusin, että toi voittaa.
And by the end of this challenge,
Siis, eiks toi tyyppi ollut joku tubettaja? Mene vähän taakse. Joo, mä oon nähnyt. Eiks tää oo se, jolla on joku lapsi ja se treenaa sen lasta koko aikaa? Ne, jotka tietää, please sanokaa mulle kommenteissa, koska tää näyttää tutulta. Mut mennään takas. -15. Okei, puolet ei edes tippunut. Tuo on hyvä. Mut 19 jäi.
Congratulations to the 19 of you for moving on!
Okei. Näin nopeasti tippuu paljon. 81 tyyppiä.
I feel bad for some of the people here, but it's got to get done.
This is the beginning of something
I
great.
was expecting it to just kind of blow me a little bit, and it just hit me in the chest like a sail, and I couldn't catch it from there.
Let's
So.
head over to the next game. And in this video, we took over the city of Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, where there are still 3 more challenges these pilots will have to compete in to win the multi-million-dollar jet.
Mun on pakko tarkistaa nytte, onks mulla kuvaus päällä? On. Sorry.
We're going 10,000 feet in the air. Follow me, pilot.
Mitä nää tekee nytte? Tää näyttää PUBGilta. 19 tyyppiä taistelee vastakkain.
Samuel, it's gonna pick one of you to go 1v1 against.
Häh?
Samuel, out of these 19 briefcases, pick a number. Number 8. 10 of these briefcases say jump, meaning you skydive and move on to the next game. The rest are elimination. All right.
Eli jos sä niinku arvaat, sä pääset jatkoon, mut sun pitää hyppää.
Samuel is going to
Ei,
look
ei,
inside the
ei,
briefcase.
ei.
And Andre is going to decide steal or no steal.
What's in the briefcase?
Jump!
You saying it's
Mä oon
jump?
täysin varma väärin.
Okay, Andre,
Mä
steal
täysin varma
or
väärin.
no steal.
You know what? I believe you. Jimmy, I'm taking the briefcase.
If it says jump, you're moving on.
Yeah!
Let's see it. He's moving on to the top 10.
Joo, jos sä voitat, sä hyppäät.
The next game is all the way on the ground, so you have to jump.
Entäs jos ei uskalla, tippuuko se sitten? Mä en kyllä halus hyppää tolleen, mä ajattelen. Mä mieluummin hyppäisin yksin, koska miksi minussa olisi kiinni joku mies? Ei! Ei! Mä en tunti sitten hyvin, jos joku mies olisi kiinni mun takana vielä tolleen. Ei. Ei. Ei käy.
One down and only 9 jumps
Mä
remain
hyppäisin
to the
kyllä,
next
koska
game.
tässä on
First,
palkinto 2 milliä, mutta tiedättekö sille muuten vaan ei.
Which meant that the people deciding whether to
Mieluummin
steal had
yksin.
all the power.
It's a jump.
Until you're skydive.
He told
It's eliminate. But listen,
Siis,
I really want to say,
No, let's take it.
miksi kaikki on iloiset? Miksi kukaan ei ole vihainen?
Let's say anything.
Vander gave away 2 jumps before being eliminated himself. Why would you not lie?
Pilot's got integrity.
There are 6 eliminations and 6 jumps to the next challenge left. However, Brett came up with a strategy after he watched one of our previous videos.
Since the YouTuber's video, I had this plan. This is what I would do in this situation.
Do you trust this man?
I do. It's eliminate. Promise?
You promised that in here is eliminate.
I can put my trust in you, so I'm gonna let you have it.
Mä en tiedä, jos sä pistät maahanmuuttajat tähän. Sano wallah, sä et huijaa. Vanno, sä et huijaa. Mä tekisin tolleen.
It turns out that in this game, lying pays off. And now that one person has lied, it's become a lot harder for the pilots to trust each other.
Says jump.
No, I think you're lying to me.
Mä haluan, että tää jää. Tää on ainoa... Ei oo ainoa, tässä on toinen tummaihoinen. Mä haluan, että tää jää.
It says jump!
Sometimes it pays to tell the truth.
Because the
Vain
remaining
yksi
spots
tumma
were
ihoinen
slowly
jäi.
dwindling away, the pilots had to decide what is their integrity worth.
I want to be the good
thank
person
you.
in aviation and not tell lies, not rob people for their money, and I'm a person of integrity.
I believe that.
I would like for you to steal it.
All right.
So
Well,
this is an eliminate.
no steal.
Wait, that story worked!
Sitä ei tippunutkaan.
That doesn't sound like good integrity.
Whoa! Colby, what are you saying there?
I'm just saying.
Let's go!
I can't believe that someone claimed to have so much integrity and it was all just a farce and that he lied right through his teeth.
There's only 3 jumps, but 6 eliminates left. And the odds only kept getting worse.
It says jump. I'll take it.
Oh, it says jump!
I'm not gonna steal it.
No steal.
No, tässä on melkein samat. Mä haluan, että tää menee ohi. Tää ei näytä
Oh my
niin
God, bring him on
kiinnostavalta.
a parachute, and to you gentlemen, I'm gonna state the obvious. Only one of you is now moving on.
Because out of the 6 remaining briefcases, only 1 jump remains.
What is it? I'm gonna let you pick. Sorry. No steal.
Oh, eliminate.
4 eliminations,
My nigga!
but only 1 jump.
My
remains.
nigga!
All
My
right,
nigga
what'd you see?
tippu! Man!
You're saying this is the last jump?
The last one.
Okay, can I trust you?
I'm telling the truth, Jimmy.
Steal or no steal.
No steal.
No steal. All right. Holy crap.
If Eddie's telling the truth, everyone else will be eliminated.
Ah!
He was telling the truth. He was telling you the truth.
Eli näille ei ollut edes mahista.
Now that all 10
Tää oli
jumps
vähän
have been
sekava
taken, it's
rehellisesti.
time to see why these contestants were jumping out of a cargo plane.
Okei,
That's
10
because
jäi.
this next challenge is taking place in one of the most unlikely locations you'd ever find a jet, the middle of the biggest freeway of
Siis, miten nää tekee? Välillä mä tajun, jos sulla on rahaa, sä voit tehdä mitä vaan. Koska miten vitus sä tuot tähän lentokoneen ja teet vielä jonkun challengen silloin kun ihmisillä on töitä? Sä peität koko tien.
city of Saudi Arabia.
So the entire city can watch it in real time. Gentlemen, raise a hand. Put that hand on the jet.
Ah.
Hand off this $2 million jet. Keeps it.
Mä rakastan näitä.
Has officially started.
Eli kuka pitää pidempään oman käden tossa, se voittaa.
Nah.
How long you lasting?
We'll see. I'll be the last one. As long as it takes until I pass out.
Until
Mä
you
voittaisin
pass out.
tässä. Tää on helppoa.
Hours. Days.
Could be.
Before I decided to do this video, moving a jet through the city was logistically impossible. But
We've spent months planning this route where the plane barely fits within the light poles on the street. Hey driver, be careful of my jet! The plane is so wide that we literally have to turn signs on the street so it can fit by. All right, keep coming. I mean, look how little space we're working with here.
Mr. Beast pystyy tehdä mitä vaan
it
rehellisesti.
seemed like we had the entire city's attention.
Hello, how you guys doing? Hey, nice to meet you guys. How's it going?
Mr. Beast, anna rahaa! Mr. Beast, anna rahaa! Mä tiedän miten nämä lapset haluu.
With thousands of people filming us generating millions of views on TikTok, we officially took over the city of Riyadh.
I'm gonna win it! Save this video! What's it like having cars literally drive by on the road while you're doing this?
This is crazy. This is like free entertainment.
This is gonna last so long.
Hey guys, how you doing?
This would go on all day, and we could have driven through the entire city of Riyadh before anyone got out. So it was time to take the
Mä
difficulty
tiedän,
up to
joku
the next
vahingossa
level.
nostaa käden tolleen tai jotain tommosta.
To make it harder, stop the truck! They need to come down the plane without taking their hand off and choose a spot. You guys are gonna be walking with a wing.
I might be regretting not wearing shoes, but I got the dog.
Käveleminen. Miten sulla ei oo kengiä?
Here we go. Oh, here we go.
Don't trip on each other. All right, how was that speed?
I used to run marathons, man, so the walk isn't even a factor for me.
Kuvitelkaa, jos nää juoksee.
Let's drive faster.
Tää päästi oman käden. Kattokaa tässä. Tää. Täällä on yksi
I think
sormi
we need to
varmaan
turn it up a
koskisi.
few notches.
We could take this to a sprint, Jimmy. Nothing's gonna happen to me.
Let's go a little faster. On a scale of 1 to 10, how exhausted are you guys?
They all just got so quiet because they're trying to focus on
Mut jos
breathing.
joku
They've
edestä
been running for the
tippuu,
last 5 minutes.
sit tää kompastuu.
Definitely getting harder for him because I keep seeing hands getting adjusted.
How's everyone feeling?
Amazing.
It looks like the back row struggled a little bit.
Ei!
My hand slipped.
Oh, we got someone out! Hey, slow the plane! Match, slow the plane!
I cannot believe that.
What happened?
My hand just slipped off.
Anything you want to say to your boys?
Yeah, keep after it. That was hard, so you all deserve it.
I just feel bad for Graham, man. I don't want any of us to
Siis
get out.
tässä on 2 milliä edessä ja sä päästät käden vaan tolleen. Ihan kuin se olisi 10 euroa. Mua oikein ärsyttää.
I don't think I've ever run that.
Mä lähetän Mr. Beastille viestin tän reaktion jälkeen, että mä haluan osallistua. Mä tuun voittaa.
People always wonder, how do they change clothes? They definitely fake the video. This is how. Notice how he's moving his fingers through the sleeve. There you go, I'll take it. Every time we don't show this, all the comments are like, fake, fake, fake. The video's not fake.
It's real, guys. It's real.
Before we start going again, I have an offer.
Here we go.
All right, let's hear it. Drink match, bring it in.
This is heavy, boys.
Oh my god.
Mystery
Mr. Beast aina antaa joku 10 tonnia.
Inside these briefcases is $50,000
Oh my god.
to the next one of you to take your hand off the jet.
Mä ottaisin heti. Ota heti pois. No niin. Jee.
$50,000.
Ottaisin fuck toi lentokone. Teet on vittu 8 vaan 1 voittaa.
No time, brother.
50 tonnia. Ai. Koko vuosi voi olla ilman töitä. Me pelleille.
That's another one down. Let's keep moving this plane.
Come on up. We're filming a video. What up? Do you guys watch the channel? Yeah.
I want to show you guys this theme park that I just opened. We opened an entire theme park where you can compete in challenges inspired by our most popular videos and have a chance at the largest prize wall of any theme park if you have what it takes.
Check out Beastland, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Okay, have fun. Let's go back to filming. Oh, let me not run into them. I'm gonna let you guys dictate the speed. If majority of you say faster, we'll speed this John up. Who wants it faster? Just one? Yeah, let's speed it up.
That's 2v6.
I need a majority.
Come on, guys. Let's just get someone.
All right. And I'm down. I'm gonna speed it up.
Okay, that's 3.
They're about to let go. That's what they're saying now.
Yeah, that's exactly right.
Just know the slower we are, the longer you're gonna be walking here.
You're not gonna run? You gonna run? I'm not running. I'm good.
Saad, I know you can take it.
I don't mind, but I don't want to.
We're not running.
If we start running, if someone gets out quickly, it's gonna save more
Mulla on
energy
hyvä
for the people
kunto.
that are
Mä
still
kyllä
in.
juoksisin.
If you know you're not cracking, run so there's somebody over there who's
Sound like you
weak.
about to crack, bro. No. Why would I want to run if I'm gonna crack?
Come on, guys. Let's run, guys.
Eikö tää Musta sanonut, että se juoksee maratoneja ja nyt ne tää sanoo, se ei halua juosta.
I don't think I have a whole lot more in me.
Somebody over there is weak.
It's cool, bro.
Dude, I literally can't. Like, my hand is... Yeah. No, I'm gonna try it. I'm running.
Hate to break it to y'all,
Mä
bro.
tunnen, joku on tippumassa ihan just. Ihan just.
Okay, that's a majority. Speed it up.
Okei.
We're speeding up.
Lock in, guys. Lock in.
Lock in, fuck nigga. Ah! Ei voi olla niin.
What happened?
My hand just slipped right off
You
the...
just couldn't keep it up?
Yeah.
With Andrew's elimination.
Siis mä en näe hikeä sun naamassa. Mä en näe, että sun paita olisi märkä. Sä vaan...
By this point, we had already driven through the entire
Mua ärsyttää. Näin ihan kuin 2 milliä ei olisi mitään tai tää koko lentokone.
So we loaded everyone onto the trailer to rest while keeping their hand on the jet as we traveled elsewhere to finish the challenge.
Kuitenkin sä herät ja sä teet tälleen sit sä hävit. Tää on riski
Last
kyllä.
time you were here, you were with 100 pilots building planes. You guys are very stubborn. Because you refuse to take your hand off this jet, I brought out a button. Each time you press it, a challenge will go into effect that will make things harder. And it will stay in effect until someone gets out.
What do you guys think?
Anyone can press it, it's that simple. Oh, you didn't even want to talk it through?
Mä haluan, että tää tippuu. Mä en tykkää tästä.
Challenge number 1 is you can no longer sit.
What?
And instead of a hand, you can only use a finger.
God.
Niin tyhmää. Kaikki tää yhden tyypin takia. Mua ärsyttää. Jos mä olisin tossa, mä en tiedä miten ne ei oo tapellut ikinä. Miten Mr. Beast videoissa ei ikinä ollut tappeluita.
just like this. Can hold this as much as I want.
The thumb is just short and strong.
Sormella. Tuo on...
I need you to switch to one finger. Remove all other fingers and all other body parts from the plane.
If any of you guys put your finger down and get out, it's nothing to be ashamed of.
You can do it then, bro. Good job,
Mä haluan, että mistä tyyppi on. Mun pitää muistaa se.
15 hours, the sun is coming up.
All of us will be so proud of you.
Tämä. Mä halusin sanoa ihan alussa, että mä haluan, että sä voitat, mutta mä haluan, että sä hävit. Ja mikä tää
Just remove your finger.
You have $3, man.
I swear to God, I will remove your finger.
I had to press that button, man.
Wow.
Mitä sä teet? Näetkö sä myös nois sun tiimiläiset on jo?
Red square that your finger has to sit in. And if it touches the square, you'll be eliminated.
No way sä päätät painaa 3. kerran.
Boring, Jimmy.
Mä lupaan, jos joku tippuu, se hakkaa sun.
This is fine. This...
Oh gosh, dude.
Honestly, sorry, boys.
Keeping all the current rules, you'll also have to stand on one foot.
This is the one that'll get some folks.
Raise your leg! They're now standing on one foot, and if that foot touches the ground, they will be eliminated. But these might be some of the
Joo, paina vielä kerran. Jos sä painat vielä kerran...
Because this $2.4 million jet could change their lives. These pilots are fighting for their ambitions.
I gotta get that jet and start my charter business.
They're fighting for their families
Oh my God.
I did it for my daughters.
and their lifelong dreams.
Me and my wife, the only way for us to have kids is through IVF.
Tää näyttää semmoiselta meksikolaiselta, joka tuli vastaan ilman passia, ilman mitään, tuli vastaan Amerikkaan. Täällä ei ole varmaan mitään sen nimellä. Mä haluan, että tää voittaa.
How you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Joo, mä haluan, että tää voittaa.
My hand is shaking.
How much longer do you have?
I have
Tää
all
ja
it
toi
takes.
musta. Mä haluan, että jompikumpi noista voittaa.
I don't know
Pakko.
if Samuel realizes it, but he is so close to touching the ground. It looks like Brett is noticing the same thing. Wait, did his foot just touch the ground?
All right, contestants. It looks like we made.
Kenen jalka toi oli?
Pass out, he pass out.
You all right?
I can sit up.
Obviously, someone's out. The rest of you revert back to the original rules. Don't take your hand off, but you can rest.
What happened, you black? You passed
Literally just like white, like just saw white and fell. That's
Tekosyitä. Se ei oo pistämässä sua takas tohon challengeen.
out. Because you're a warrior.
Tekosyy! Ei tuu toimii. Mr. Beast ei ota sua backiin tohon
You're
peliin.
gonna go the distance.
I thought I was. I think I took Bobby out. I don't think he should be out because I fell on him.
Yeah, I mean, we'd have to review it.
Here's the clip if you guys want to see it. He clearly pulled your rope, which pulled your thumb off. So Bobby is still in, but literally right before he passed out, someone else's foot touched the ground.
Miten noin monta
Is also
tippuu?
eliminated. Whose foot is this right here?
That's mine, yeah.
You are eliminated.
And Brett, even though Samuel's foot dropped first, your hand completely came off the jet, so your elimination is still valid.
Hopefully this helps a little bit. Going forward, everyone who gets out will be getting
Aike sääli
$10,000.
tätä. Miten sä et antanut tälle lävärin, kuka tiputti sut?
You guys have been on this plane way too long. Here you go. We're not gonna let you go home empty-handed.
Okei.
I'll take it.
Only 5 remain, one of which gonna win this multi-million-dollar jet. Now's probably a good time to mention that I have a really fun twist when only 3 of you are left. But don't worry, I'll explain it when there's 3.
5 tyyppiä. Miksi tää joka paino 3 kertaa nappi ei tippunut vieläkään?
Always awake.
I want to sleep, but I can't.
Brett pushed himself to literally passing out. I can't imagine that.
That's a different mind state.
Yeah, if I'm gonna be ready for that challenge, I need to get some sleep.
The goal is to let everybody sleep before you, because sleep is a dangerous thing. You have no control if you're sleeping. You're unconscious, literally.
What I'm doing is like using this as like a rest. Oh my God.
It's bothering me. I cannot. It's not comfy at all. Imagine that I'm gonna lose 2.5 million because I fall asleep.
No niin.
Like I said,
Joo.
sleeping is gonna be your
Fuck tää äijä! Päästä sun käsi! Yes! Yes!
I messed up.
Yes!
Between us, when you woke up, I think I saw the hand, you know. I'm gonna have to go watch some footage.
Gotcha. Yo, Bobby,
What's up?
I think I'm going home, boy.
Huh?
I think I might have picked up my hand.
Bobby ei tykkää susta.
That's the thing about exhaustion. You never mean for it to catch up to you, but oftentimes, you don't even know that it already has.
Bobby, what's going on?
Hey, sorry.
Te näette tää katse siis silmissä. Se ei edes tajunnut. Kato. Sajut sun 2 milliä meni sun edestä. Kaikki mitä sä oot kuvitellut tämän koko challengen aikana lähti vaan.
Bub.
Joo, tää on aito reaktio.
I don't even know. I don't know. I don't know.
Did you just raise your hand?
I don't know. I don't know what I did. I don't.
Joo. No säälin tätä.
Lose focus for 1 second, you're done. That's what happened.
Congratulations on making it to the top 3. You will remember earlier, I said when we get to the final 3, there would be a twist. We are going to start a 1-hour timer, and you will have that 1 hour to figure out who is going to win this jet.
Miten niin?
That 1 hour,
Miten niin? 1 tunnissa niiden pitää päättää kuka
if
voittaa.
more than one of you has their hand on this plane, no one gets it.
Whoa! Be smart. Think about it.
Keep in mind that you can pick a person or a game, but any of you could just lie and not take your hand off the jet. Okay? Gentlemen, start the timer! It's up to you to
Sopa.
figure out
Eli
who
kaikki
should
voi
become
olla
a
saamatta.
multi-millionaire and who does not.
Who do you guys think deserves the jet most?
All of us were.
All of us deserve this jet.
Pelatkaa joku peli.
First place!
Heittäkää noppaa. Joo, jos te pääsette noin pitkälle, tuo on tosi vaikea vaan sanoa okei. Sä ansaitset sen.
My hand is
Your
shaking.
feet are shaking. How much longer do you have?
Until I
Mr.
pass
Beast on
out.
oikea
What we
särsyttää.
can
Tää
do
on
is make up a challenge,
pahin.
and whoever wins that challenge is the winner.
How do you find a game that's fair for all
For
three
all
of you?
3 of us. Right.
Let's do some jumps and somebody see who jumps the highest.
Now you're thinking about the things
Ah.
that suit you.
Excuse me? How does that suit me more than it suits any of you guys?
Because you choose it without asking us.
Yeah.
I'm sure there's a game we can find that 3 of us will agree to play.
For me, I don't think I'm gonna do anything physical. I'm so tired.
Let's have a quiz. That's not physical.
I would want maybe Jimmy to put 3 cases. One of them has the jet.
So you're proposing I grab 3 boxes. One has a jet or a ticket in it. The other 2 are empty, and you guys randomly select.
We're not getting anywhere if we're not talking about something that's skill-based. We're not getting anywhere.
For me, I prefer something based on luck.
You're a grown man and you
Tää haluu voittaa. Tää haluu challengen, joka niinku sopii sille eniten. Nää haluu rehelliseen.
You're just looking for a handout.
You could get the jet as well.
I want to walk away knowing I earned this jet, not that it was gifted to me by luck.
And it's not gonna be skilled, by the way.
Joo, mä en halua,
We're
että
just
toi
wasting
tummaihoinen
time. Time's just
voittaa.
going away.
We told you what
Toi
we want.
niinku...
You're disagreeing with that.
I'm not gonna play any game based on.
So that
strength.
means you
Toi
don't believe in
yrittää
yourself.
manipuloida.
That's
Yes, I don't mind.
Stop,
I don't
stop,
mind.
stop,
You are
stop,
not
stop.
telling me what.
Not stop bickering. At this rate, I don't think anyone's winning this jet.
I'm gonna tell you something. This guy, he was thinking about his family. He told me that he wanna have kids. He was trying to do this for like 5 years.
So if you win, you would sell the plane and use that so you can finally have kids.
A firm, yes.
Oh my gosh.
Amazing. I did it for my daughters. I did it for my daughters.
I gotta get that jet and start my charter business. That's my goal.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Oh, wait. We're making progress. Wait, what are we doing? Do you guys want me to go get 3 briefcases?
Niinkö? Jos mä olisin tossa, sä selität jotain, mä haluun perheen, mä haluun tää, mulla on tätä, mua ei kiinnosta paskaakaan, tossa on 2 milliä, ja mulla ei tule enää ole chanssiä saada 2 milliä. Ihan sama mitä sä selität.
I want to compete, bro.
Half the time
Ei tuu
has now
toimii.
gone by. At the rate you're going, none of you's winning. Right here, no obligation, just some briefcases. 2 might be empty, 1 might have a golden ticket in it, but it's up to you if you want to use them. Maybe you guys separate for a few minutes and cool off and then get back together. You guys are not making any progress. What is... Bro, it's like you're talking to a wall. What's happening?
I don't think I'm being unreasonable at all. We've all been through the same thing. Let's compete.
I'm sure, 100%. If we play any game and he lose, he will not remove his hands.
I don't think he will take off his hand.
If he lost.
If he lost.
I mean, he did lie in the skydiving challenge.
I want to be the good person in aviation and not tell lies. And I'm a person of integrity.
I believe that.
Says
Tää yrittää huijaamalla voittaa.
We came and we worked hard all the way to get to this point, and we're gonna lose.
Let's do a quiz.
He's coming up with quizzes.
Hey, see that plane flying over? That could be one of you in 15 minutes. If you figure out how to work together, if you stop arguing and agree, one of you can win this jet.
Haluan tehdä jotain kyselyitä ja hyppyjä.
All right, this is my briefcase.
Saud,
Grab your briefcase, this is mine.
Saud, is this your briefcase?
Grown men don't want to compete. They just want to be gifted.
Mitä grown man? Shut the fuck up!
And I don't believe in that.
I got...
Ei halus hyppiä, sä oot nuorin täällä. Kato, nää on joku 40-vuotiaat, sä oot 20 ja sä haluat tehdä challenge, kuka hyppii korkeammalle. Miten helvettiä sun päässä on?
If you think this video we filmed in Riyadh was
Oi,
crazy,
ärsyttää tää.
it's nothing compared to what's coming soon. Beast Games Season 2, Strong versus Smart. The challenges are bigger. Oh my God! The twists are crazier. And the stakes
Oikeesti, miten voi osallistua MrBeast-videoihin? Mä haluun, että mä oon joku päivä siinä. Ja me voidaan reagoida myös näihin, jos te tykkäätte näistä videoista.
Yes.
Will you take off your hand?
I would take.
Do you want to open your case?
I want to try to find something else. This is my last resort. How do you feel as a grown man saying,
It's not your business.
Let me win?
Grown man,
That's your business.
I can't even fathom that.
I don't care.
Gentlemen, I just want to bring this into frame. You have a little over 10 minutes, and at the rate you're going, none of you are winning this jet.
What's wrong with them showing a list of airplanes?
Mä tiedän, joku rasisti tulee kattoo tätä videoa, kattoo tätä tummaihoista ja on silleen, tämän takia mä en tykkää tummaihoisista.
Give up, man.
Mä tiedän vaan.
Seriously, no one is going to win this jet.
2
You guys
minuuttia.
wouldn't think it's fair to guess some airplanes.
Jabari, let's shake our hand. Come on, take it, or we lose it.
All right. I heard your story. If you got it.
Älä jäppää, 2 minuuttia! Miksi sä puhut? 1.
Really not much time left.
1, 2.
No way, että sä voitat.
He got it! The golden ticket!
You got it.
He actually got it!
Let's go.
Luck.
They don't have to take their hands off though. It is up to them. All that stands between you and that jet.
Miten Jumala antoi sun voittaa, kun sä oot noin ilkeä? Ihan sama, katsotaan mitä tapahtuu.
Will they finally let go? You guys have seconds left. Make a decision.
We will. Yeah.
Oh my gosh! They honored it! They honored it! You just won this private jet!
Mä halusin kyllä alussa, että tää voittaa. Come on. Kun sä olit noin ilkeä, sun pitää shareaa ees, jos sä saat rahaa näiden kaa. Aina, tiedätkö, hyvät ihmiset ei ikin voita. Tuo on totta. Hyvät ihmiset ei ikin voita mitään.
Congrats on the brand new jet! We're gonna give them each $20,000. You guys earned it.
This is my brand new jet. Let's go!
It is his jet! Hey, and if you guys aren't subscribed to her...
Mä oon kyllä iloinen tämän puolesta. Mäkin olisin tommonen ilkeä, rehellisesti. Ja tää video loppuu tähän. Joo. Mä en tiedä, mitä mä sanon loppuun. Tässä me pääteltiin, että aina rehellisyys ei aina voita. Välillä sun pitää olla vähän ilkeä, että sä pääset elämässä eteenpäin. Jos sä oot aina kiltti, sä jäät keskelle tai sit sä oot alhaalla, niin tää on se, mitä mä tajusin tästä videosta. Nähdään seuraavassa videossa. Moi!